Hey guys, Gabby here, and I'm sorry, okay, whatever. Hey guys, Gabby here, and today I will be recording a mail time. This girl called Gabby Reyes. By the way, I do not know this girl, so please don't blame me. Oh, it's called Gabby, so it's so it was definitely made by you, blah blah blah, and all that stuff. Maybe it's just a fan. I don't know who it is because I did not make their account. But anyways, let's open all the gifts. First gift we have is I'm so laggy, like what the heck? How many messages have I got? 6. Oh, this is a rare. Thank you so much for the rare. Winter cheeks. Oh my god, thank you. But I think I have 2 pairs now because this girl also gave me some, and yeah. I think these are rare as well. Are they? I don't know. I know these are rare. Yeah, I know. These are rare. What are these? I think these are anime. Yay, thank you so much for the sleek hair. I've always wanted sleek. I'm sure is that how you pronounce it? I think it is. Oh my god, I love this hair. Thank you. Are these animations? Yeah, they are animations. All the colourful gifts are animations. Something else, I don't know. But yeah, thank you so much for the gifts. I think thank you so much for all the gifts. Oh my god, I love that animation. I've always wanted it, like I never knew where it was, so like I couldn't. Thank you. Wait, I think there was something else. Is that it? Yeah, now let's try to make a look. I'm sorry, I'm aggressive, kind of. But yeah, on Sunday, I think, I can't tell you what is happening because like apparently someone's coming on Sunday and I don't know who is. But yeah, when I find out who it is, then I will make a video with that person. So far I don't know nothing. Nothing. I actually like this top. We can have that skirt, yeah, but I think it's kind of too short. Let's have this top, and maybe, why is it here? We could use this. No. Yeah, this. Nose piercing? Yeah, okay. Okay, I want nose piercing more than that. By the way, I'm sorry if I don't speak, it's just because I'm doing a mail time. A mini mail time. I've did this on my channel before, and it got like a couple of views. I'm not a huge YouTuber so far, so it probably won't get many views anyway. Thank you so much for the rares. Oh yes. I'm gonna wear Miss Goldie. Maybe this hat. Actually, shall we change? I'm gonna change. I'm definitely gonna change my face. I'm so not excited. Oh my god, this is gonna look so bad. Oh my god. I'll be back with you guys when I finish. I don't know, we can have these eyes. Stop sending me movies. We could have this makeup. And I actually kind of like that makeup. I don't want to look too emo as well, so we're probably gonna pick. Okay. Oh my god, that looks so weird. That looks so weird. Oh my god. Okay, I need to turn my recording on. Oh my god. Guys, I just realized I was recording for the whole time then. Oh my god, this looks so cool. Okay. So we have the top. We don't have the top now. My best friend, you can say, gave me these. I love these. I love these more. Yeah, they look pretty. Okay. Where's my pen? I'm sorry if I'm singing. I know my voice is terrible. Please, what? Stop. I haven't even. Oh my god, I'll check my messages later. I look so weird. Oh my god. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. If you enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.